Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to jumpstart your fitness journey but don't know where to begin? I've got you. Today we're diving into the 7 best full body strength workouts perfect for beginners. These moves are easy to follow, super effective, and designed to help you build strength from the ground up. No heavy weights required. Now, you might be wondering, why strength training? Strength training not only helps you build muscle and tone your body, but it also boosts your metabolism, improves your posture, and gives you the energy to tackle whatever life throws at you. And the best part? Anyone can do it, regardless of fitness level. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's go. Exercise 1. Lunges. Ready for some lunges? This exercise really targets the glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Stand up straight with your feet together. Step forward with your right leg, lowering down until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Keep your upper body straight and core tight. Start with 8 reps per leg, and remember, you can always hold onto a wall or chair for balance if you need it. Exercise 2. Body weight squats. First up, body weight squats. Squats are amazing because they work multiple muscle groups, legs, glutes, and even your core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower down like you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your chest up, core tight, and make sure your knees don't pass your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Aim for 10 to 15 reps and go slow and controlled. This exercise is great for building lower body strength and getting that perfect squat form nailed down. Exercise 3. Shoulder press with dumbbells. Let's hit those shoulders with the dumbbell shoulder press. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding weights at shoulder level. Press the weights up above your head until your arms are fully extended. Slowly bring them back down to shoulder level. This is great for your shoulders and upper body strength. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. Don't rush it. Take your time to really feel the burn. Exercise 4. Push-ups. Next, we have the classic push-up. It's a fantastic way to target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position, hands under your shoulders. Lower your chest down, keeping elbows close to your sides. Push back up to the starting position. You can modify by dropping to your knees if a full push-up is too challenging. Try 8 to 10 reps, and if you're modifying, aim for 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Dumbbell rows. All right, let's work those back muscles with dumbbell rows. If you don't have dumbbells, grab anything with a bit of weight, like water bottles or even books. Stand with feet hip-width apart, holding a weight in each hand. Bend slightly at your knees and lean forward, keeping your back straight. Pull the weights towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly lower them back down. Aim for 10 reps per side. This one's fantastic for your upper back and biceps. Exercise 6. Glute bridges. Now let's activate those glutes with glute bridges. This move also strengthens your lower back and core. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips up until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower down slowly. Try for 15 reps. This exercise is especially good if you sit a lot during the day, as it helps counteract tight hips and weak